Hi guys, so I'm going to show you how to update your campaign for your promoted listings. There are some people who asked about this video, so here you go guys. So essentially there are two ways, and let's get into it guys. So you got to go to marketing and then promoted listings. And then you go down to create a new campaign. Essentially, you can go and select bulk listings in bulk, and you can select all those there. Sorry. You go all the way down to continue, and how Paul reviewed it, you can do 1% and continue. And you want to go all the way down. So you go ahead and check I agree to the promote listings terms of service and click launch. I'm not going to do that because you would have two campaigns, and the more you update, the more campaigns you have. If you're like me, I'd like option 2. I have OCD, so I like to keep it all in one campaign. Alright, so let me go back to the next step, okay? Pause this video and I'll go back to the previous step. Okay, so we are back to the previous step. So like I said, to keep in one campaign, what I'll do is I'll check the campaign name. I named it May 1%. That's how much we were doing. And then I'd like to edit campaign. And we'll go down all the way to download campaign file. Do not include trending ad rates, so let's download that. And I'll open that. Alright, so that's one file. You could save that to anywhere, probably a desktop if you'd like. And then you'll have to go back. So we came back to the previous step, and then I would go to create a new campaign. So this is how you're going to have to download the new items. So it looks like my VA listed 10 items. Select all, so 10 items. Continue. Apply all in one rate, so 1%. And you click the download and review. That will load up for you. Let's open that. I'm gonna copy these. So right there, and then copy. Then I will go ahead and paste it to paste it all the way at the end, right here. Paste. Oh, and get rid of the item ID by deleting it. Then one goes all the way down. So what you can do is click on that one in the lower right of that box. You can drag down and all be ones for us. Nice and easy. Okay. And I'll go ahead and save this as a CMV file. To the desktop. Save it as updated campaign 2318B. And then you do the CSV save. I'm going to say, okay, features might be incompatible. I would say, okay. We'll go back to the previous page. Check the campaign you want, which should be only one. Edit campaign. Browse for that. Campaign, upload, and we cannot upload due to formatting issues. If you're using Excel, make sure cells are number format. Oh, yeah. So, you would need to put all these in number format. So, go all the way up. Click on the A column. Right click, format. Category would be number. And you get rid of the decimal points. Decimal places 0. Alright, so once we fix the formatting, we just go in and browse. Upload our current one. And update campaign. And that's it, guys. Any questions, concerns, let me know. Drop it down in the comment and just tell me how I did. If you like this type of content, give me a thumbs up and subscribe, because there'll be more to come. And if you guys want anything else done, I'll be happy to do them. Tutorials, how-tos, and tips and tricks. Alright guys, have a good one.